Welcome to SY Quiz Official. Today, we bring you an Islamic general knowledge quiz. You will see some interesting and informative Islamic questions, each with 3 multiple choice answers. Can you guess the correct answer? Let's find out how much you know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SY Quiz Official for more amazing quizzes. Let's get started. On which date does the first fast of Ramadan begin? First Shaban, first Ramadan, 10th Ramadan. The answer is first Ramadan. What is another name for Ramadan? Month of light, month of patience, month of marriage. The answer is month of patience. In which month was the Quran revealed? Muharram, Ramadan, Julhijjah. The answer is Ramadan. What is Laylatul Qadr also known as? Shabi Barat, Shabi Miraj, Shabi Qadr. The answer is Shabi Qadr. What is the atonement, kafara, for breaking a fast? Fasting for 10 days, fasting for 60 days, fasting for 30 days. The answer is fasting for 60 days. Which prophet was the first to fast? Prophet Musa, Prophet Adam, Prophet Ibrahim. The answer is Prophet Adam. What is the best date for dates during iftar? Ajwa, Amber, Safawi. The answer is Ajwa. When does the time for Sehri end? At Fajr Azan, at Maghrib Azan, at Jawal time. The answer is Fajr Azan. How many rakats are there in the Eid ul-Fitr prayer? 2, 4, 6. The answer is 2. What is the amount of Zakat al-Fitr? 50 rupees, 100 rupees, wheat and food items. Wheat and food items. Which is the most important night in the month of Ramadan? Night of Ascension, Night of Forgiveness, Laylatul Qadr. Laylatul Qadr. What is the term for the pre-dawn meal during Ramadan? Suhoor, Iftar, Duhe. The answer is Suhoor. How long is the fasting period during Ramadan? 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours. The answer is 12 hours. Which prophet fasted for 40 days? Prophet Dawood, Prophet Isa, Prophet Musa. The answer is Prophet Musa. What is the name of the first chapter of the Quran? Al-Fatiha, Al-Baqarah, Al-Ikhlas. The answer is Al-Fatiha. How many surahs are in the Quran? 112, 114, 120. The answer is 114. What is the name of the angel who revealed the Quran? Jibrail, Mikail, Israfil. The answer is Jibrail. Which prayer is offered after breaking the fast? Fajr, Maghrib, Isha. The answer is Maghrib. What is the special charity given during Ramadan called? Zakat al-Maul, Zakat al-Fitr, Sadaqah. Zakat al-Fitr. What is the main purpose of fasting in Ramadan? To lose weight, to gain wealth, to gain taqwa. The answer is to gain taqwa. In which year did the Battle of Badr take place? 1 Hijri, 2 Hijri, 3 Hijri. The answer is 2 Hijri. How many days does the fast in Ramadan last? 29 to 30 days, 30 days, 28 days. The answer is 29 to 30 days. Which fruit is recommended for iftar? Dates, banana, apple. The answer is dates. What is the reward for fasting during Ramadan according to Hadith? Forgiveness from Allah, wealth and prosperity, good health. Forgiveness from Allah. Which is the last day of Ramadan called? Eid al-Fitr, Laylatul Qadr, Ramadan day. The answer is Eid al-Fitr. Which surah is known as the heart of the Quran? Al-Baqarah, Yasin, A.R. Rahman. The answer is Yasin. What does the Arabic word Ramadan mean? Blessing, patience, scorching heat. Scorching heat. In which city was the first revelation of the Quran? Makkah, Medina, Jerusalem. The answer is Makkah. How many times is the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned in the Quran? 4 times. Which companion of the Prophet Muhammad was the first martyr of Islam? Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Hamza. Hazrat Hamza. Which event does Eid al-Fitr celebrate? The first revelation of the Quran, the end of the fast, the first battle of Islam, the end of the fast. What is the name of the famous well in Makkah? Zanzam Fazar Madina well. The answer is Zamzam. Which prophet was known for his patience during a long fast? Prophet Ayub, Prophet Yusuf, Prophet Ibrahim. The answer is Prophet Ayub. How many days did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam fast for the first time? 1 day, 3 days, 30 days. The answer is 3 days. What is the significance of the night of Ascension, Isra and Miraj? Ascension of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What is the Islamic term for charity given to the poor during Ramadan? Zakat al-Mal, Zakat al-Fitr, Sadqa. Zakat al-Fitr. Who was the first woman to fast in Islam? Aisha, Khadija, Fatima.
Aisha Radhiyallahu anhu.
Which prophet was thrown into the fire by his people? Prophet Ibrahim, Prophet Nuh, Prophet Musa. The answer is Prophet Ibrahim. Which night is known for being better than 1,000 months? Laylatul Qadr, Shabi Barat, Shabi Miraj. The answer is Laylatul Qadr. Which prayer is recommended during the last 10 nights of Ramadan? Tarawih, Tahajjud, Isha. The answer is Tahajjud. Which is the most revered mosque in Islam? Al-Aqsa Mosque, Al-Haram Mosque, Al-Nabawi Mosque. Al-Haram Mosque. What is the Islamic term for the ritual washing before prayer? Ghusl, Waju, Tayammum. The answer is Waju. Who is known as the Sword of Allah? Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Abu Bakr. The answer is Hazrat Ali. Which Islamic month marks the beginning of the Islamic year? Muharram, Shawwal, Rabi, Al-Awwal. The answer is Muharram. What is the name of the Prophet Muhammad's sallallahu alaihi wasallam mother? Hazrat Amina, Hazrat Khadija, Hazrat Fatima. Hazrat Amina. How many times did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform Hajj? The answer is 1. What is the term for the pilgrimage to Mecca? Hajj. Umrah. Zakat. The answer is Hajj. Which month is the month of Hajj? Ramadan. Shawwal. Zulhijjah. The answer is Zulhijjah. Which is the longest surah in the Quran? Al-Baqarah. Al-Araf. Al-Ikhlas. Al-Baqarah. Which companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was known for his knowledge? Hazrat Ali.